Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. This is the part 2 of NCERT Exemplar Problems with Solution series. In this video, we will discuss the MCQs problem of NCERT Exemplar. Class 10th, chapter number 6, Life Processes. So let's get started. So, start with question number first. The first question states that which of the following statements about autotroph is incorrect? We have to find out the incorrect statement. So, among all the options, the incorrect statement is option number C, that they convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates in absence of sunlight, which is absolutely wrong, because autotroph always prepare food in presence of sunlight. That sunlight should be present. Now, question number second, in which of the following group of organism food material is broken down outside the body and absorbed? So, the answer of this question will be fungi. That means in fungi, food materials is broken down outside the body and absorbs, and that fungi are given in option number B, that is yeast, mushroom, bread mold. All these are fungi, so the answer will be B. Now the next question, that is third, select the correct statement. We have to find out the correct statement. So all the options are related to heterotrophs and we have to find out the correct one. So the correct one is option number A, that is heterotroph do not synthesize their own food, because autotroph synthesize their own food. They have that capacity and ability. Heterotroph depends on autotroph for their food. So option number A will be the correct one, that they do not synthesize their own food. Next, fourth question, question number fourth, which is the correct statement of parts in human alimentary canal? So the correct statement is option number D, that is the food when is taken by the body is firstly taken by mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine. So the answer number D. So I am repeating the answers, that question number first, answer number C, second question answer number B, third question answer number A, fourth question answer number D. So these are the answer of these questions. Now the next question, question number fifth, that if salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva, which of the following events in mouth cavity will be affected? If in mouth saliva is present and salivary amylase is present in that saliva. So basically the function of salivary amylase is to act upon on starch. That means carbohydrates. Salivary amylase always act upon carbohydrates, and starch is the example of carbohydrates. So salivary amylase break down that starch into the simplest form. That means starch break down into the sugars. So if that salivary amylase is absent, then starch cannot be break down into sugars. So this activity will be affected in digestion process. Now the sixth question, the inner lining of the stomach is protected by one of the following from hydrochloric acid. Choose the correct one. Hydrochloric acid is the strong acid from which stomach has to be protected. So a inner lining of mucus is present in stomach so that it protected the stomach from HCl. Pepsin is a protein which is present in gastric juices. Salivary amylase, as I already told you, that it is present in mouth, and bile is produced by the liver. So the inner lining of stomach is mucus. Now the next question, which part of alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? As I told you in the sixth question that bile is produced from the liver. So which of the part of the alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? So that bile which is produced from the liver, which organ take this bile? So the answer correct is small intestine. Small intestine receives bile and pancreatic juice from hepatopancreatic duct, because small intestine itself not produces its enzymes, it receives enzymes from bile juices and pancreatic juices. So answer will be B. Next, 8th question. A few drops of iodine solution were added to rice water. The solution turned blue-black in color. This indicates that rice water contains. Generally, iodine solution test is taken and is done to test the presence of starch, because iodine when reacts with starch always gives blue-black color. So the answer will be starch, because iodine always react with starch and give the characteristics distinctive color, that is blue-black color. So this indicates that rice water contains starch. Now the next question, that in which part of the alimentary canal food is finally digested? So the answer is small intestine. In small intestine, food is finally digested. As we had already discussed the pathway, that the correct sequence will be that from mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, and then large intestine. The main function of large intestine is to produce the unwanted digested food and absorbed food, that is feces formation occur in large intestine, but the final digestion of food is occur in small intestine. Next, 10th question, that is choose the function of the pancreatic juice from the following. All the options are related to trypsin enzyme. As I told you that small intestine receives bile juice and pancreatic juice, because small intestine does not produce its own enzyme. So enzyme present in bile juice and pancreatic juice. So both of the juice contain many enzymes. So one of the enzyme is trypsin, which is present in pancreatic juice. So the main function of trypsin is to digest protein, and lipase, the main function of lipase is to digest fats. So the answer number D will be the correct one, that trypsin digests protein and lipase digests fats. So this is all about in this part. Next questions will be discussed in the next parts. If you think this video is beneficial for you, then please like and share it. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.